Good evening, everyone. This is IGCSE Chemistry, Topic 12, Sulfur. A quick revision, quickly we'll go through these topics. So, sulfur symbol is S, existing as S8 molecule. It is solid at room temperature, yellow solid, and most of this sulfur we extract from the earth crust. And there are traces of sulfur which are found in a fossil fuel such as coal, oil, gas. Then uses of sulfur. What is the use of sulfur? Sulfur is used to manufacture sulfuric acid and vulcanizing the rubber used to make drugs, pesticide, matches, and paper. And sulfur is having two oxides, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So sulfur dioxide, which is more stable as compared to sulfur trioxide, it is used to manufacture sulfuric acid. It is used to bleach the wooden pulp. It is used to sterilize or is as a sterilizing agent. Then the sulfur dioxide used to make sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid can be used to make fertilizers, can be used in paints, pigments, and if you have a concentrated sulfuric acid, that can also be used as a dehydrating agent. It will remove the water content or water molecule from the substance. How we carry out this in a contact process? First, we burn sulfur to produce sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is mixed with more oxygen because the reaction is reversible and pass over a pallet of vanadium pentoxide around 450 degrees centigrade to form sulfur trioxide, and that is dissolved in sulfuric acid to form oleum. Oleum is diluted with water to form sulfuric acid. The reaction condition catalyst 450 degrees centigrade and 2 atm the temperature. These are the equations. Sulfur react with oxygen gives sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide mixed with more oxygen gives sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide mixed with sulfuric acid to produce oleum. And oleum is diluted with water to form sulfuric acid. So basically we add sulfuric acid and as a result we are getting sulfuric acid. So we add 1 mole, we are getting 2 moles. So means we are getting the one which is formed and we are getting the one which is produced. So this was a quick revision of topic 12, sulfur. Topic 13, that's also a short topic which is about carbonates. So when we have a limestone, which is mainly calcium carbonate, on heating it decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And this calcium oxide is also known as lime or a quick lime. And there are some uses of the lime and the slake lime. What is a slake lime? As you can see, when calcium carbonate is heated, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This calcium oxide is lime. But when calcium oxide is mixed with water, it will form calcium hydroxide. We call that as a slake lime. But that is in a solid state. But when we add too much water and it will dissociate this calcium and hydroxide into iron, we call that as a lime water. And when we bubble carbon dioxide through this lime water, so the lime water will turn milky because of formation of calcium carbonate. The uses are there. Some uses of lime, calcium oxide, and calcium hydroxide for treating acidic soil and neutralizing the industrial waste. Example, the flue gases, desulfurization. Sulfur dioxide is acidic oxide, so it can react with metal oxide or a base. Then, what are the uses of calcium carbonate? It can be used for manufacture of iron or extraction of iron, basically. In a blast furnace, calcium carbonate heated decomposed to form calcium oxide. That calcium oxide react with acidic impurities to form a slag, and it is also used for cement. So heat powdered limestone with a clay, and it is ingredient in mortar and concrete. Other building materials are there, so result in formation of a cement. So this was a quick revision. First for carbonate, then the carbon cycle is there. The sources which are increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the activities. So if we start from here, photosynthesis, green plant absorb, but they also respire, so they release that carbon dioxide back. Or if these plants turn into fossils such as coal, oil, and gas, and we use them as a fuel, so we release carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. And there are bacteria which are feeding on the dead animal or the plant. They are also converting, changing back this to carbon dioxide. And if plants are eaten by animals, and when they start to decay, it also release carbon dioxide. The respiration also from animals release carbon dioxide. Then another gas which is methane. Methane is also a greenhouse gas, and can be sourced from natural gas trapped in oil bearing rocks, and partial decomposition of or plant material under anaerobic conditions result in a formation of methane, as well as waste product of digestion in animals. And methane is having a greater greenhouse factor than carbon dioxide. So these are two topic 12 and 13. Quick revision.